Hi, so today we're going to look at some of the back pain that we often get here in between the shoulder blades. That area in between the shoulders that often gets pulled forward when we're driving, when we're on our computer, when we're even on our phone, and we get this bad posture because all these front muscles are pulling forward and the back muscles are a little weak, so they're giving. It's a tug of war. So what are we going to do? Two things. We're going to work with a personal trainer to strengthen those upper back muscles, and we're also going to work on self-massage so that we can relax and lengthen this whole area here of the breast and chest area and bring it back to neutral position so that we can have a wonderful posture. How are we going to do that? We're going to use a foam roller and a ball, or we can just use our hand, okay, and a cushion. This is really easy. So what I'm going to demonstrate on the foam roller is actually working from this bone right here, the sternum, also called the breastbone. We're going to be massaging with the ball or with our hand from the breastbone, all of these muscles all the way to the shoulder, okay? So you have the large pectoral muscle, which covers pretty much the entire chest area, and then the smaller one, which is right behind and pulls that scapula forward. So that one's also important. And you can do it with your hand, dragging all the way towards the shoulder. You can do it with a ball. You can do it a couple ways that I'm going to demonstrate now. So the first way is with a foam roller. If you don't have a foam roller, you can use up a rolled up towel or two. So the thicker the towel, the better. Because what you really want is as much height as possible between you and the floor. The more the height, the more you can stretch this arm out and really feel that stretch in the top of your arm. You can then use the ball or your hand and massage this whole area out towards your shoulder. You can even, as you're doing that, turn your body opposite direction of where you're moving your hand and the ball. You see that I'm twisting in the opposite direction so that I get a little bit more traction right there. To come out of the foam roller, you let yourself drop forward, push yourself up to sitting, and then you can either go to a wall or even on the floor do the exact same thing. So you get on the floor, place the ball underneath. If you have a tennis ball, that might work as well. It could be a little bit tight. And work your way out towards the shoulder with that ball. So when you're on the wall, you're going to place your hand here. You're going to push forward for a count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then release and stretch out. So you're going to twist in the opposite direction, lengthening this entire area here. So this is how we can actually work on our posture and improve that pain in the mid to upper back.